Because you care.
Because of your support.
St. Jude won't stop.
The doctors, the researchers.
Won't stop.
We won't stop until these diseases are defeated.
Defeated.
Until a cure is found.
Together with St. Jude,
We won't stop until no child dies from cancer.
You can help.
Become a partner in hope now and get this shirt.
let everyone know.
Let the world know.
We won't stop.
Support the children of St. Jude.
Get your shirt at wewon'tstop.org.
The most popular form of internet media nowadays is lip synchronization. I do not understand that as a form of entertainment, so instead I'm filming myself the way I celebrate every holiday with a glass of Lagavulin. Lagavulin, the perfect gift for the holidays.
Nothing says holidays like beef. So whether you're gathering around a beautiful prime rib roast with your closest family and friends, or virtually around the beef drool log, beef, it's what's for dinner. Let's look at some exciting recipes with our good friend Amy Goodson.
Happy holidays. I'm Amy Goodson, registered dietitian, and today I'm at National Cattlemen's Beef Association Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff, to talk all things holidays. We know that this year, so many families will be having smaller gatherings no matter where they are in the country. But the good news is that you can still have a spectacular home-cooked beef meal to celebrate the holidays. So I am recommending a bone-in prime rib roast. This really is delicious. It makes you think of the holidays, and one of the best parts is that you can relax while it is baking in the oven. So that is a win-win for the chef in the house. And so many people wonder, what type of roast should I make? What type or cut of beef should I have? So I have a beautiful bone-in prime rib roast, but really almost any beef roast will work as a special addition to the holiday meal. You can get the prime rib both bone-in or boneless. Both taste great. The bone-in is a little more traditional. It's got that amazing rich flavor, and let's face it, it makes for a really photo-worthy presentation. So if you're wondering what to cook this holiday season, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com. They have all kinds of roast recipes, as well as some tips to help ensure that your holiday meal is flawless. And then I like to say, what is a meal without a red wine pairing to really take it to the next level? So I'm recommending a robust Cabernet with your beef. So today I have the Lewis M. Martini Sonoma County Cabernet. So this is gonna pair perfectly with your beef meal, and it can even help your leftovers feel extra special the next day. And what's great is that Beef It's What's for Dinner and Lewis M. Martini have partnered to offer a $15 rebate. So all you need to do is buy 2 bottles of the Lewis M. Martini wine with a prime rib roast at your local grocery store in states where legal. And if you find yourself the next day wondering, what am I gonna do with my leftovers? The beauty is you can use those to make some delicious meals, really from breakfast all the way to dinner. So for breakfast, I am recommending this beef and spinach breakfast sandwich. You can use your remaining vegetables and spinach, scramble it into the eggs. You're gonna see we have a layer of cheese and then that prime rib right on top. And for lunch or dinner, this 4 Seasons beef and Brussels sprouts chopped salad is a win. It's got apples and cranberries, little gorgonzola cheese, and then that prime rib right on top. So these are some simple recipes that can ensure that you use your leftover prime rib without the hassle of being in the kitchen all day. So if you would like to find more information about these recipes and others, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com and visit the holiday page, and you'll also find some amazing holiday entertaining tips and ideas. So be sure to visit and enjoy this holiday season.
break out the Baileys and whip out the whisks, because the Baileys Holiday Baking Club is making it fun and easy to treat yourself and your loved ones this holiday season. Let's join comedian Lonnie Love and Catherine Berman of Georgetown Cupcake to see what they're up to with the Baileys Holiday Baking Club. Take it away, ladies.
Hi everyone, I'm Lonnie Love. Welcome to the Baileys Holiday Baking Club, where inexperienced bakers, I'm more than inexperienced, but okay, like myself, get to work with top bakers all across the country. And today, I'm working with my new friend, Catherine Berman. She's the co-founder and co-owner of Georgetown Cupcakes. I love her cupcakes. Hey, Catherine!
Hi, Lonnie. It's nice to see you. I'm really excited to be baking virtually with you today. First, we're going to take our flour and we are going to measure 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour.
Hold on. You know, you're an expert. I'm just learning. That's about a quarter. Okay, that's a quarter.
So once that's sifted, what we're going to do is we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt.
You can tell I ain't used mine. I got it all together.
And then we're going to...
Catherine, hold on. 1 teaspoon.
Once you get to the teaspoon, you find it, you just whisk it in with the rest of the flour. Once you sift that, you're going to set it aside. And the next step is going to be cutting our butter. And we're going to throw that into our mixer.
Cutting it in cubes. She's not paying attention. I'm mixing the butter up.
Yes.
And
you're going to cream the butter
in this
on medium speed. Perfect. And now we're going to measure the sugar. So it's going to be 1 3/4 cups of sugar. You did great.
Yeah, right.
So just pour all the sugar in to the mixer. So while this is going, Lonnie, what we're going to do is we're going to crack 2 large eggs. We're actually going to be making the red velvet mixture to put into the mixer. So you just want to make sure you kind of keep it away from you so it doesn't get on your clothes.
Oh, okay.
But you're wearing an apron, aren't you, Lonnie?
No, it's okay.
A small little whisk.
Look, I could do it like her. Look, that's fancy.
Take this, and we're gonna pour it into the mixer on slow speed.
This is how we do it.
That is a book. Okay, so the next step is going to be, we're going to do our apple cider vinegar and baking soda mixture. And this is kind of cool because it's like a little science reaction that you're going to be doing.
It's gonna bubble up. It's bubbling. It's bubbling. It's bubbling.
Okay, so for the best part, we're going to add the Baileys Red Velvet.
That's what I've been waiting on.
Yes, the good part. So you're going to pour 1/4 cup of Baileys Red Velvet.
Oh, it smells so good, Catherine. I love putting this in my coffee, especially for the holidays. It just gives an extra little, you know, holiday feel to me.
But what's so great about it, it's so versatile because you can really add it to any dessert you're making at home, whether it's like cakes or cupcakes or cookies. Okay, so what you're gonna do next, Lonnie, is you're gonna take your ice cream scoop and you're gonna put your ice cream scoop in your batter and you're gonna scoop it and then just put it in your cupcake trays that are lined.
Look at that. Oh, this actually might work. This might come out.
And this is what it should look like. Okay, Lonnie, now that our cupcakes are in the oven, we have around 15 minutes to get the frosting done.
I love vanilla and chocolate.
Okay, Lonnie, so while that is mixing, what we're gonna do next is we're going to sift 12 cups of confectioner sugar.
Now I'm keeping it all for myself, Catherine.
Wait till it gets really incorporated before you put it on high, because you don't want it to kind of blow up in your face.
A little late for that, Catherine, but okay.
Now, the best part, we're gonna add the red velvet Baileys to the frosting. Okay.
Slowly. Oh, that's such a pretty color. It smells so good. Let me taste it a little bit.
And then we've got all of our frosting in a piping bag, ready to frost our red velvet Bailey's cupcakes.
Ta-da!
I'm gonna teach you, Lonnie, how to do the signature swirl on the cupcakes.
You are?
So you've got your bag of frosting. You're gonna hold the top end around in a circle and come back down in the middle with a burst of pressure.
Circle and a burst of pressure. Yeah. That's the Lonnie swirl. It's the Lonnie swirl. That's that swirl. I got it. I got it, Catherine.
All right. That's awesome, Lonnie.
Thank you so much, Catherine.
See, holiday baking can be fun and easy, and Bailey's just makes any treat that much more delicious.
You will be able to purchase Bailey's Red Velvet Cupcakes on GeorgetownCupcake.com.
And what's even sweeter is that Bailey's is making a $25,000 donation to the Restaurant Workers Community Foundation on behalf of Georgetown Cupcake. Always remember to enjoy responsibly this season.
And you can pick up a bottle of Bailey's Red Velvet at your local retailers for a limited time, so you better get it.